Meet the Glyph interface, a more thoughtful way to interact with a smartphone, where lights on the back of your device tell you all you need to flip to Glyph and cue light-only notifications. With Glyph notifications, you'll never miss updates from your favourite and keep you up to date. Stay on track with Glyph Timer. Check charging status with a wiggle, or play Phone 2 like a 606 and compose your own ringtones live. Phone 2 houses our most powerful camera to date. Upgraded hardware and advanced software deliver a flagship experience that starts with you. The front camera is bigger and better with a 32. Detects real-time movement with motion capture 2 for still images that are always in focus. And with advanced results, this works hand in hand with night mode, reducing noise for vibrant after-dark action. Phone feel more intentional. Say hello to widgets, little windows into apps that bring everything you need to the surface, with multiple views for different levels of information, so you can spend less time digging and more time living. Turn quick settings into widgets for easy access on the go, or add widgets directly to the always-on display for round-the-clock updates. Style icons with the Nothing theme to turn down distractions, or rearrange your home screen to make room for what's important. To support productivity, we've gone big on folders. Organise your apps and customise the covers to suit your daily needs. The power is in your hands. How will you put your stamp on nothing? From hardware to software, Phone 2 is an entirely premium experience. With its gently curved pillared glass back, sleek, thin mid-frame, and higher definition textures, Phone 2 is our proudest design story so far. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, Phone 2. The display is now bigger and brighter with 1600 nits peak brightness and LTPO that preserves battery life when you're not on your screen. And with our longest lasting battery yet, reach a full charge in just 55 minutes, with reverse charging to power other tech on the go. Phone 2 is designed to be one of the most sustainable smartphones on the market, starting with its packaging. 100% plastic free with 60% of paper included coming from recycled sources. Beyond the 100% recycled aluminium mid-frame, Phone 2 contains a range of other recycled metals with 80% of plastic parts sustainably sourced. All of this brings us to an 8.6% reduction in carbon footprint compared to Phone 1. And with 3 years of software updates and 4 years of security updates, Phone 2 can go further with you.